today I'm gonna turn Tuxedo Sam into some oatmeal. How cute is this? Oh my gosh, and it tastes so good. So let's get started. So first we're gonna pour some water into a big pot and then add the oats, and these are rolled oats. So these are like the really chunky, really yummy, will fill you in like one spoonful kind of oats. And some salt, and then we're gonna pop that onto the stove, and I'm gonna turn on the heat, and we're gonna cook for like 10 minutes until the water is absorbed and it looks nice and creamy. Now to make this oatmeal Tuxedo Sam color, we're gonna use a butterfly pea flour. I think it's flour powder. I feel like this is so much better than just like adding straight food coloring, right? So I'm just gonna add like about a tablespoon. You don't really taste it, but it creates this really pretty, is it pretty color? I don't know. You can like tell me if you think it's pretty. I'm kind of torn, like is it pretty or is it gross? I don't know. And then we are just going to spoon that into a bowl. I'm using this cup that is also blue because I feel like it just needs to happen. Now to decorate, I have some Greek yogurt here, and I like Greek yogurt for this because it's thicker so it will stay in place. And then I'm going to use some dried mango for his beak, some raisins for his eyes, and some strawberries for his little bow tie because I wanted it to be like all breakfast kind of foods that like you'd eat. Tastes really good actually too. And do you know who also likes strawberries sometimes? Paddington!